everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back on my beauty TV. It's your girl Oma here again today. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much from the depth of my heart. I say thank you. And I want to say a very big thank you to all my 500 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm very much grateful for all the love and support. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, please. So please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscription button and subscribe. Guys, it's free. Like, you're not paying to subscribe. It's free of charge. Subscribe, and after subscribing, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That one is also important, so that you get notified anytime I have a new upload. Always like my videos after watching, and comment. Leave me a comment. Remember to also share my videos with your friends and family, please. So without much further ado, in today's video, you can see from the title, we're going to be doing something that has helped me, something that has worked for me. I've used this mixture, I've used this remedy years, and it has worked for me. For people, I'm an acne prone person. Like, I don't know, I have oil prone skin, so me and acne, we are 5 and 6. I have done a lot of treatment, getting a lot of skincare products, and using research on how to do DIYs, on what to do, like things I can fit, things I can make in my kitchen and use on my face and get the results. So I started researching. So everything I'm posting on my channel, there are things that I'm using. You can see in some of my videos, I applied those things for you to see that I'm actually using them. It's things that has worked for me, that I've used over the years. It has worked for me, but unfortunately I didn't take pictures when my face was so bad, because I just started YouTube, so there's no way I can show you evidence. But I'm telling you this, I am not just saying because I want to get I want subscribers and all of that. No, I'm telling you what has worked for me. So this very one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is something that I started using from last week, because my face was so bad. You can even see the dark spot, and I still have some spots here. There is also one here, and I have some little ones and dark patches down here. So I've been using this remedy since last week, and I have seen a tremendous result. So I started to share, So without much further ado, though I've said this thing before, let's jump in right into this video. So I'm going to be making it. I'm going to be using things you can grab in your kitchen, things that are inexpensive. It's things you eat. These are the things I'm going to be using to make this remedy. So and if you've watched this video up to this minute, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe before I go into showing you how I make this remedy. So follow me to my workstation. Let me show you how I make this remedy. Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how I make this remedy. So everything I'm going to be using, the benefit and the ingredient I'm going to be using is going to be on the description box. You can go there and check. So let's proceed. So first off, the first ingredient I'm going to be using is my turmeric. So I'm actually using a teaspoon. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of my turmeric. That is 2 of this. So watch as I do this. This is 1, and this is 2. So this is something I will use once. So I'm only using 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to be adding my neem powder in this mixture. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of my neem powder. Then I'm going to be adding my rice powder to this. So I'm going to be dropping the measurement and the benefit of everything I'm using in this video in the description box. So just watch as I combine the ingredient. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder. Let me open this. I'm going to be adding a little bit of my cinnamon powder, just a little, half teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. So to combine this, I'm going to be using my raw honey. I'm going to be using my raw honey for this. This is 1 teaspoon. Another, that's 1 tablespoon now. So I'm going to be using 1.5 teaspoon for this. So I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to combine everything together. So let me grab my rose water to add to it. So I'll be adding my rose water instead of using water, normal water. So I'm going to be using my rose water to dissolve this. Make sure it has done a lot on my face, but you don't need much. You just need few drops in your mixtures. If you have a sensitive skin, you just have to be careful when using it. You don't need much, so I'm just going to be adding few drops. So I added like 3 or 4 drops of my 3 or 4 drops of my tea tree oil. So after combining everything, after making sure that everything is well mixed, I'm going to be applying this on my face. So I'm going to be showing you how I apply this on my face, how I use this on my face. I use this twice a week, but like last week when I had a lot of breakouts, I was using it. I used it 4 times in a week, but this week worked. Like my face is looking more clearer and brighter, so I'm using it. I'm using it 2 times in a week, so this is my second time using it this week. So I'm not going to use it again. I use it on Monday, and today is the second day I'm going to be using it. So follow me, let's go. So right now I'm going to be applying this on my face. You can use your old makeup brush or your makeup brush. If you finish using it, wash it, or you can use your bare hand. But at this very minute, I'm going to be using my bare hand. Like I can't even lay my hand where I put my application brush. So I'm going to be using my bare hand to apply this on my face. So watch me as I do this. Like this will make your face to be very smooth. Like you want to have a very smooth face, free from acne and dark spots. Try this method. Try this remedy. Try this remedy. This, I can assure you guys, this remedy is very, very effective. It's super effective. It's very great on the face. If you have oily skin, it also helps. I noticed another thing that I noticed. This is the remedy here. So don't think I'm using something else on my face and showing you something else. So another thing that I noticed while using this is that it helps in controlling the oil on my face. Like I don't know, at times my face looks like you can literally face, and I'm going to be waiting for 15 minutes before washing it off. So the effects I actually got, because it's something I've been using. You can also try it and leave me a comment on the comment section. Like, if you have oily skin, I tell you this is badass. Like, this is very good. It will help in controlling the oil on your face, and it will give you that smooth effect on your face. So I'm going to be ending this video here while I go wash my face. Please, if you watch my video up to this minute and you've not subscribed, well, please subscribe. Subscription is free. I've said it before. It's very free. Like, it's free. Oh, you're not paying. You no go pay money. Now free of charge to subscribe. So please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Stay beautiful, stay fabulous, and keep smiling.